Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my hair experience after I start using the 4-step treatment by Joico. So if you want to see how this treatment help my hair after I damage my hair so much by doing two session of bleaching this year, please continue to watch and be here in my community. By the way guys, we reach 100 subscribers, so I'm so grateful for this, and I want to thank you very much for all of you that subscribe to my channel, and I hope you continue to watch my videos and even give me in the comment section some ideas about what do you want to see more of my my videos. So if you want to see my my experience with this treatment, please continue to watch this video. So I do myself a cup of coffee, and I want to chat with you guys because in the last period I am struggling so much with my hair, because after I was doing my blonde session with Oligo, I was so pleased, but after this my hair didn't looked so well with that cold tone, and I decided to go back to brunette, my color that I think that suit me very well. So my hair was in a very bad condition. Now I have used this treatment 4 times. My hairdresser told me that I should use it 10 times and then I will stop, because it is an intense treatment and you don't have to do on long terms. But even on the 4th session you may see that my ends are still very dry, and I put my lovely oils by Kiehl's. It is my best friend in this period, because I have to put on my mid ends almost every day, because my mid ends tend to be more dry and tend to break up more. So last night I was doing my headband to have more curls. In this part my hair was still wet. This is the reason that it doesn't have this nice curls. But in the morning when I took off the bandana, I was struggle to manage to pull out my my hair from the bandana, and in this part, I don't know if you see very well, my hair was very dry, and I took piece of my hair from this bandana. So in the future maybe I will keep my hair straight, just not using any type of bandana or something like this to curl my hair. First of all, I want to show you my currently hair care routine to see how what I'm using right now. Last night I switched to another product, more natural product for regenerating my hair, but was drying my hair maybe more than my professional product. So my advice, guys, if you struggle with damaged hair from bleach or from other reason, use professional hair care, because they are more hydrating and do very good for your hair. So first step, I use the Joico. It is their clarifying shampoo. It has a very nice smell. It has a creamier version, and I feel that cleans my hair very good when I use it. But I was struggling the last period with a lot of stress, and my scalp suffered a lot. So I have dandruff again. So even this shampoo is clarifying. With my dandruff didn't help, and I switched to another shampoo that I have for my dandruff, a natural one, but I will continue to use it, and I will talk about it in a future video. So step 2 is in this big bottle. I don't know what they think if when they do this set with small shampoo and a big bottle of 1 liter of cuticle sealer. It is a treatment that you apply after you wash your hair 2 times and towel dry. I sit with this 5 minutes, and then I rinse my hair. Then step 3 is their top product, I will like to say, this reconstructor deep penetrating treatment. This is a small one, and I use a lot when I wash my hair. So this will be the first that I will finish in this set. This has pharmacy smell, something like this, but you should use it just to deep penetrating your hair, to keep moisturizing, and to reach the cuticle open by using the sealer, the step 2. So all of the 4 product, you should use it together. I don't know if you can see some result, or in maybe in a long period of time, if you just use the step 3 or even the step 4. My hairdresser told me that I should use it the whole range of product to see some result. So last product, last step, is their hydrator intense treatment, also for damaged hair. This has a very nice smell and a light texture, and this and with shampoo and the sealer are very nice. The scent, only deep treatment has a weird scent, I would like to say. But no matter the scent, they do the job. After for use it, I noticed that my hair didn't fall so much. I put a video here to see how much my hair was falling. So this is all the hair that falls out of my hair when I was using the 4-step Joico treatment. I have a lot of hair that is following, and with this system I hope I could manage the falling and to revive my hair. I would like to say that I wash my hair 2 times per week, and in some period maybe 3 times. For my scalp it is good. For many of you, maybe you should use it 2 times or even 1 time, but depends of or your hair needs, your hair type. I have fine hair with a sensitive scalp. Now I have my hair color with color by Kevin Murphy at my salon. It is a color without ammoniac, and for my scalp it did very good. So if you have a similar problem with your hair like I do, I will recommend you to use professional product. With a natural product you can reach some effects, but on long term, or even it can damage your hair more, because after you bleach your hair and your hair is so fine that at the hairdresser, when she washed my hair, she was afraid to wash it, so damaged that my hair was. So I have faith in her and use what she recommended me, and I see result. I will keep using this treatment, and after 10 uses I will continue to tell you my opinion. So invest in a good hair care line, maybe Joico, maybe something else, but I read so many good reviews about Joico K-PAK reconstructor, and even my hairdresser recommend me this. And also have a good oil. I have these skills, but I don't know, it is good, but when I will finish, I have a little small of this. When I will finish, I will buy the Olaplex oil, also has very good good reviews, or buy from my hairdresser an professional oil from an Italian brand, I guess. She told me that it has very fine texture and is lightweight for my fine hair, because I don't want to make my hair way down and to look like I don't wash it when I use some oils that are heavy. So hopefully you will find some information interesting and useful for your problem, and I will continue to try this product, and I will make a future video after I finish use this treatment after 10 times of using. So thank you very much for being here today. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. I post every Monday and Friday, and I will like you to have you here in my community. Till next time, bye bye guys.